Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to have you all here. Really excited to get to the weekend and really start pushing toward that course project. So hopefully everybody got my examples in the course messages. Please take a look at the lecture from this week. Really look toward the end of it, and especially take a look at how to do the assignment and really get into it. That's really what I want you to do. And please don't copy the templates and the examples I've given you. I'd really like you to build your own. That would be really the great thing. Other than that, I made some discussion posts. I finished your grades. Everything should be updated. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I got your back. Other than that, I figured I'd finish off this week with talking about emotion, with positive and negative persuasion, and how that can kind of play a part with everything. Now, of course, when we were in lecture, we talked about how persuasion triggers emotion and memories, correct? Well, the funny thing about it is there's also some settings where it can really cause some things where people can look at it from a different perception, where when people try to frame the situation in one way where it's positive persuasion compared to people trying to frame the opposite version, which is negative persuasion. We'll take a look at that using an example. So let's go back and review how emotions and memories kind of take into play. So of course, when we're looking at visuals and emotions, we tend to tie apart or tag it and tie it up to cognitive memories and emotions, and how mood setting colors and mood setting lightings really play into effect. Because when we were talking about sensory imaging, they trigger moods, they trigger emotions. Same thing here. So really in all aspect, that a lot of times that we get to take a look, emotions and memories tying together. For example, the Clydesdales. If you notice during like Christmas time and everything, Budweiser likes to showcase the Clydesdales for like Christmas themes and like New Year's and parades. Clydesdales are always over there. So that's a great thing about these animals. And when they pop around, it's always triggers into those cognitive memories. Speaking of, oh, this reminds me of Christmas because they see the Clydesdales. It's like Christmas. It's not really about the beer. It's really about like them reminding you that Christmas is coming around the corner, and they're just the guys bringing it to you. That's really the aspect of it, and that's how Budweiser does it for just using horses as triggering cognitive memories and emotions. Now, in reality, when we take a look at some things, now some people may think that's kind of negative because it's like a beer company trying to pitch and move that Christmas, and so that creates like a negative persuasion, unlike Budweiser trying to create a positive persuasion. So let's take a look at this example here where people try to spin a certain situation based on the type of setting they're trying to put it in. For example, the Brock Turner case a few years back, where he unfortunately was convicted. It really given a very light sentence for what he did and what he did to a young woman. And unfortunately, he was a college student at the time, but certain people were trying to defend him, and certain people were trying to help bring apart this thing that he is such a bad guy. And in reality, he did a very bad thing, but people were trying to help him out. And so when you look at the image to the left, that's where the images you saw from the police and from people that were trying to, this guy should be put to jail. And then there were others that were trying to say he was an innocent kid making a mistake, which not innocent, totally warranted mistake. He should have definitely paid for his crimes a little bit more. But in reality, people were trying to help him, and this is them trying to make the situation positive and spin it by looking at a good high school picture of him saying he's just a nice kid. And that wasn't really the case. So you have people that try to spin it their own way in a positive or negative scenario, and that's something to keep in mind with. All right, other than that, that's pretty much all I got. I just want to let you know, keep in mind your discussion posts are due tonight, and then tomorrow you have your course project outlines due. Just remember the outline, not the full paper, okay? I'm looking for an outline format, but that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody's having a great week. I'll have my announcements for next week posted soon, and that's all I got. All right, my friends, have fun, enjoy. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.